Welcome to the personal property tour for 89 Sauchenbush Road in Kirkcaldy. This is an immaculate 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-reception, detached property. You've got off-street parking, you have a garage, you've got an attic space, and you've got woodland views. On the plus side of that as well, you're in a quiet cul-de-sac right at the end, so no one's coming through. This is a beautiful property. I cannot wait to take you on this one. I'm going to just flip the camera and take you on the tour. And as you can see, that's the property here. So your driveway is here. If I just about turn, you'll see where that is in relation to the property. So you're literally at the bottom of the cul-de-sac. You come into Sauchenbush Road here. There is nobody coming through. There's literally only 4 other houses here. So it's lovely and peaceful. But isn't it lovely? So you can see you've got your garage. But it's a beautiful, beautiful house. You've got your off-street parking, comes all the way around here. You've also got garden space to the front. This lovely hedging as well, so it makes it nice and private. And then round to the side, you've got access to the garden and also for your bin store area. You'll see as soon as we head into this property just how special it is. And the finish in here is beautiful. We're going to head on in. From here, you can also get access to the garden at the side. But as soon as we walk into this entrance porch, you'll instantly feel the luxury. Isn't it beautiful? You've got this lovely skylight as well, but it's a great sized entrance porch, isn't it? Beautiful flooring, you've got the lovely radiators, nice finish with the doors, nice and bright and spacious. You can see the woodland views I was speaking about just to the side there, but isn't that lovely? If I stand over here, you get the sheer size of your entrance. Isn't it great? So we're going to head down the hallway here. And as we head down, again, you can see the lovely flooring, just all the attention to detail. You come into this other part of the hallway, and then we're going to head upstairs. So we'll come upstairs, nice and bright again. You've got a window just above us here. It goes around the corner, and again, you can see just how lovely it is. We're going to start straight ahead into bedroom number 1, which is a great sized room. Look at that. What a lovely sized room, isn't it? Look at the size of the window. So we head round here and look at those views. Aren't they lovely? Such a nice sized room. Got storage here. This is a big bed, big furnishings, and you've still plenty of room. Really nice sized first bedroom. And that is bedroom number 1. Go back out into the hallway. And we're going to head into bedroom number 2. That is down here. So again, nice sized room. Got wash facilities here as well. Overlooks the front, nice and peaceful. If I head round here, you can just see how lovely that room is as well. Nice big window. Then we're going to head into bedroom number 3. So again, this one is currently utilised as a home office space. But again, look at the views. Isn't that stunning? Really nice sized office space. And then we're going to head back out into the hallway. Then we're going to head into bedroom number 4, which is a great sized double again. Really nice sized room, isn't it? Got this lovely big window to the front, so again, nice and peaceful, overlooking the garden, but a great space. Comes all the way around with your chaise lounge there as well. Again, big furnishing, lots of space. That's bedroom number 4. We then have a shower room, which is kind of assigned to the first bedroom, so it's kind of like a master ensuite just about. So you've got your shower, thermostatic control with your rainfall shower head, your WC and your sink. And then from here you've got storage as well. Look at all the doors, aren't they beautiful? And then you've got your master bedroom and bathroom in here, sorry. So again, really nice big family bathroom. Double window, so it's nice and bright. You've got this lovely sized bath. You've got your thermostatic control with your rainfall shower head, your WC, your sink. So a nice space up here. But if I stand here as well, again, you can see just how bright that hallway was with that window. I'm going to head downstairs. And then from here, we're going to head into bedroom number 5. So the beauty of this is you've got that 1-level living here as well, which I think is great. So again, just in here, you've got bedroom number 5. Beautiful big double again. Isn't that nice? I wish you could smell the property. It's so gorgeous. It's beautiful, isn't it? You've got built-in wardrobes as well, so lots of space here. And beautiful views again. Isn't that lovely? So that's bedroom number 5. And the one level living aspect is because you actually have a shower room in here as well, which is a full kind of wet room, shower room as well. So you've got the rainfall shower head again, thermostatic control, you've got your vanity sink and your WC, but a great space. Just that entrance hallway is stunning, isn't it? From here we're going to go into reception number 1, which is the lounge. Again, just the doors, aren't they nice? This is a beautiful room. So a large family, they do lots of entertaining in here. Overlooks the rear, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Literally the amount of seating in here just shows you how much fun is had in this property. You've got this beautiful open fire as well. Nice and bright with big windows. It is just stunning, isn't it? From here as well, you can access the rear garden. I'm not going to fully go into the garden just now, but I'm just going to open the patio so you can see if you were entertaining with the family in here, and then you can just step out into the outside space. How beautiful is that? It's just stunning. So peaceful. So that is your sitting room and entertainment space. Isn't it lovely? Then from here, we're going to head back out into the hallway and we're going to go into reception room number 2, which is, again, a beautiful room, nice finish with all the doors. You can see what I meant about the family and the entertaining. When you see the size of this room, big windows, bigger table. This is a 16-seater table, so lots of fun and entertaining happens in here. You've also got this fridge area, but you've got this built-in bar and sink and social space. How wonderful is that? Isn't it great? You've got a lovely big window overlooking the front. You've got the window overlooking the side. So peaceful. But what a lovely space, isn't it? Lots of fun had in this property, I think. We go back out into the reception area, so you've got cupboards in here as well. So you've got cupboard there, storage in here too. And then from here we're going to head back around the corner and we're going to head into what is the kitchen area. The kitchen is beautiful. As soon as you come in, you can see that. Such a lovely space. So as well as having all that social space, you can also sit here and just have your coffee, your breakfast. Integrated appliances, this has everything. You've got ceiling to floor fridge, ceiling to floor freezer. You've got your dishwasher, you've got recycling. You've got your oven, double oven, microwave, your extractor, and you've also got this 5-ring cooker. Isn't that lovely? Overlooks the front, so again, nice and peaceful, but it's such a great space, isn't it? I love the two-tone in the kitchen as well. It's really nice. Very special room. From here, you go off to the side, you've also got a utility space. Isn't that a nice size room? Some kitchens are this size. So you've got your washer, your dryer, you've got your sink area, double windows again, so nice and bright, lots of storage. It's a beautiful space, isn't it? We're going to head back out into the hallway. This is just a spectacular entrance, isn't it? And then, so as well as having the patios from the sitting room, you can actually access the garden from here as well, which I think is really a big plus. And as we come out, you can just see the patio area. So the gate there at the side was what we saw from the front for getting in. You can also access your garage here too. But for barbecuing, what a great space, isn't it? I love all the autumnal colours that you're seeing in the garden just now. But isn't that lovely? Such a great outside space, isn't it? And you could just imagine the sun shining here, enjoying it with your family. And you've got this grassed area over here, and then we come down to this part down here, and that takes us down to, on the side here was where you access the patio doors at the sitting room, as you can see. But you've just got such a fabulous space. You can also go to the lower part of the garden. You've got this huge raised area. Isn't that wonderful? Look at the view. So in the lower areas where all the children generally play, and you've got all of the space for them to be safe and enjoy. Isn't that wonderful? Look at the colours. So peaceful. So, personal property tour, 89 Sauchenbush Road in Kirkcaldy. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-reception, extended. You've got off-street parking, you've got your garage, you're in a quiet cul-de-sac, you've got this beautiful garden surrounded by countryside and woodland that just makes you feel like you could be anywhere up north. What you also have with this house that I haven't shown you is the attic space. So in the attic space, they have 2 rooms that they use as a family as well. One is an office space, one is a bedroom, but you could use those as multi-functioning. That's an additional space that you have as well, and it's accessed by a ladder in the property. But I think you'll agree this is a beautiful house. Not only is it a beautiful property, it's in a great location. So you feel you're in the countryside, but actually you're head west, you're 5 minutes, you're at Chapel level, retail park. So you've got all of the facilities there, the cafes, the shops, just galore, isn't it, up there? You go east, 5 minutes, you're actually in the town centre. So you've got the high street, you've got everything the high street has to offer. You've got the theatre, you've got the museums, you've got the promenade that you can walk along, you've got the Fife Coastal Path. You're 5 minutes from the train station at Kirkcaldy as well, so that takes you north to Dundee and beyond, and south to Edinburgh and further. It really is in a great location. This is the personal property tour. If this one is of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, if you're interested, contact the team on 01592 75 2000. And I think you'll agree, this is Perry at Fife Properties TV, feeling quite relaxed standing here. Take care, bye bye.